Yeah. Came at 17. Damn.
Hi folks, Dutchy here from Dutchy Cooking. Today we'll be cooking some beautiful pork loin with the skin on in the wood-fired oven. Also we'll be making some Delphine wire potatoes and roasted broccoli and carrots. So today we've got some beautiful ingredients. We've got this nice piece of pork loin with the skin on. What we're going to do is take this, all these little spikes, we're just going to run it over the skin. All we're doing is putting about a 5mm hole in the skin. This will allow the fat to be rendered out between the meat and the skin, and hopefully making some lovely crackling. So now we've done that, what we're going to do is take our sharp knife, just want to score that skin. About there. As you can see, we've just scored the skin. Next thing to do, I'm just going to put some oil on, not a lot. That in. Then I'm going to take some salt, just sprinkle it over the top. So that's our pork ready. Just going to take our cast iron skillet, drop our pork in. It's our time to get the pork in the oven. Put it in so the curve of the pork's like that, so we're going to get the heat onto this side. The skin will protect the pork. So we're going to run at 200 degrees C for about 15 minutes, and then we'll kind of reduce the wood input, so we're going to run about 170, 180. Put our lid on. So we're also going to cook some Delphine wire potatoes. So we've just got some potatoes that are thinly sliced. Just add them to a pan. Then we've got equal quantities of milk and cream. So we're going to add the milk. And our cream. See, that's just covering our potatoes, and then to that we're going to add 1 clove of garlic. Stir around. We'll get these in the wood-fired oven and we'll simmer them for about 5 minutes. So our potatoes have had about 5 minutes away, gently simmering in the pot. Now it's time to put them in the gratin dish. So I've got this gratin dish, I've just lightly buttered it, and all we're going to do now is take these potatoes out, put them in the gratin dish. I've got all the potatoes out. I'm going to add a sprinkle of fresh rosemary. Touch of salt, touch of black pepper, and then we're going to pour some of this poaching liquid back in. Just enough to cover. And the last ingredient, Gruyere cheese. Look at that. Now that's ready to go in our wood-fired oven. Put it into the back corner. The next dish we're going to prepare is our broccoli. So I've just got some broccoli. Just going to lightly drizzle with olive oil. We're going to add some salt. And some ground pepper. The next dish we're going to do is some wood-fired baby carrots. Again, a drizzle of olive oil, our salt, a little bit of black pepper, and now I've got some fresh thyme. I will add at this point that I did parboil these baby carrots for about 2 to 3 minutes. So they're now ready to go in our wood-fired oven. We've got about 20 minutes left of this cook. Now we're going to put the broccoli and the carrots in. Just check on our pork. Check on the potatoes. So our pork's reached 74 degrees C. Just get it out and get it on a board. Our broccoli, carrots, and our Delphin wild potatoes. So let's cut into this pork and see what we've got. Moist, tender pork with a lovely crispy crackling.